Welcome to Cat TV Honors. In the month of November, we are paying tribute to our local veterans. Tonight, we honor
John Scarey Sr. After serving in the Navy, John returned to North Bennington, married and raised 4 children. He served on many boards in his community. He sat on the North Bennington School Board, Hale Mountain Fish and Game Club Board, the Boy Scouts of America in support of his son. He was a wonderful husband, father, papa, and great-grandfather. He lived a long, full life with family and his faith until his passing at the Veterans Home in Bennington.
Thank you for watching Cat TV Honors, and thank you to all the veterans for their dedicated service.